Hello everyone, myself JP Singh and I am a Microsoft certified trainer. In this video, I am going to discuss an interesting tips and tricks with you that is working with the quick access toolbar. You just saw this button is coming normally showing some option, and look at the save button which is commonly viewed at the top left of the Excel screen, and there is an undo and redo. So these three buttons are by default this, and this is basically quick access toolbar. You can hide it, you can show it below the ribbon, it will come here, you can show above the ribbon, and you can customize it. If you want to add commands, like if you want to add an email quick print command, you just add that here by just clicking on this button. This email option will be added in quick access toolbar. And at the same time, sort ascending, sort descending if you want to add. So these are frequent use command which is available here. But if you want to add more, like a filter, like the other conditional formatting, you can go to the more commands. And here you can see you can remove if existing commands. And if you want to add a filter, you can add it. If you want to add maybe an email, definitely it is there. And you can make it okay, and this option will be visible here. So when you look at here, the shortcut key for the filter is Control Shift L. Definitely it is there, but these quick access toolbar comes with the hotkeys. How hotkey works, guys? It is very interesting. You have to press Alt key. So I am just going to press Alt key. Look at here. So when I press Alt key, automatically all the commands in sequence are coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like a sequence. So it means if I want to apply a filter, I have to use Alt 5. So automatically this will save your time, guys. If you are frequently using some command, you can choose these all commands to be pinned with your quick access toolbar. So this is for you guys. Thank you so much for this video. Wait for the more video. Thank you so much.